Tammy Slaton's jaw-dropping transformation has taken the internet by storm, shocking fans of TLC's hit show, 1000 LB Sisters, and sparking a flurry of questions about the show's future. Once known for her size, struggle, and signature sass, Tammy has undergone a complete physical metamorphosis, from over 700 pounds and confined to a wheelchair with an oxygen tube, to now walking independently, confidently showing off her post-surgery body, and making bold fashion statements. But with all this dramatic change, fans and insiders alike are starting to wonder, is Tammy's glow-up too big for the SHO's original concept to survive? When 1000 LB Sisters first aired in 2020, viewers were drawn to the Slaton sisters' honest, emotional, and often humorous portrayal of life as morbidly obese women trying to reclaim their health. Tammy and Amy's dynamic was a mix of love, chaos, and codependency, with each sister facing unique struggles, wins, and heartbreaks. The emotional weight of their personal stories gave the show a raw and real appeal. Fans rooted for Tammy despite her notorious temper and often self-sabotaging behavior, and many were skeptical she would ever commit to serious change. But in a turn that even the most loyal viewer didn't see coming, Tammy not only committed to change, she became the show's biggest success story. Tammy's journey to reclaim her life wasn't just about bariatric surgery, it was about survival. After a near-death experience that landed her in a medically induced coma and months in a rehab facility, something in Tammy shifted. She emerged with a new sense of purpose, a shocking drop in weight, and a determination that made critics eat their words. Gone was the defiant Tammy who refused to follow doctors' orders. In her place stood a woman who had fought to live and was finally thriving. Her weight loss, over 400 pounds, wasn't just life-saving. It was show-stopping, and that's exactly where the trouble begins. Because for a show titled 1000 LB Sisters, built on the premise of the sisters' collective struggles with obesity and food addiction, Tammy's radical change leaves producers in a tough spot. How do you continue a show about weight loss when the main star has essentially reached her goal? TLC has already shown signs of pivoting the storyline, focusing more on family drama, Amy's tumultuous relationship with her ex Michael, and her new romance with Brian, as well as introducing NG-side characters like Amanda, Mishti, and Chris Combs. But the question remains, can the show survive without the central focus of weight struggles? Longtime fans have mixed feelings. Some applaud Tammy's transformation and feel inspired by her dedication. They want to see more of her thriving, exploring life, dating, and doing things she never thought possible. Others miss the raw emotion of early seasons and worry that the heart of the show is gone. "We watched because we were hoping for a miracle," one fan tweeted. "Now that it happened, it almost feels like the story is over." Another commented, "I'm proud of Tammy, but I feel like the show lost its edge. The struggle was what made it real." Tammy's physical changes have also led to major emotional shifts that are affecting her on-camera persona. In recent seasons, she's more reserved, more reflective, and less combative. She's also grown more private about certain aspects of her life, which makes it harder for producers to maintain the high drama that fans expect from reality TV. Even her online presence has changed. Tammy used to be a staple on TikTok and Instagram with blunt rants, wild filters, and chaotic live sessions. Now, she's posting polished selfies, subtle updates, and positive affirmations. It's a great move for Tammy personally, but is it good TV? And what about her sister Amy? Once the more independent and comedic half of the duo, Amy is now dealing with her own challenges, raising 2 young kids, navigating a new relationship, and recovering from public legal battles with her ex. While her storyline still has weight, she no longer carries the same impact she once did. Without Tammy's struggles as a counterbalance, Amy's scenes often feel scattered or secondary. The dynamic duo that launched the show has shifted into 2 very separate lives, and that separation may be too wide for the format to survive. Insiders at TLC have reportedly discussed spin-off ideas, including a solo series for Tammy or a new focus on other family members like Amanda and Chris. But none of those options have generated the same buzz as the original formula. There's something irreplaceable about the Tammy and Amy chemistry, no matter how messy it got. Their history, shared trauma, and deep, if volatile, sisterly love created moments of raw vulnerability that viewer connected with. A rebrand might be inevitable, but it could come at the cost of the emotional foundation the show was built on. Still, some argue that Tammy's transformation is a new beginning, not an ending. Her journey from immobility to independence is still ongoing. She's not done healing, not done growing, and certainly not done being Tammy. There's plenty of story left to tell, especially if TLC is willing to shift the lens from weight loss to wellness, from drama to resilience. Viewer could follow Tammy as she adjusts to life after skin removal surgery, begins dating again, rebuilds her sense of identity, and perhaps even takes on a mentorship role for others in similar situations. That could open the door to a whole new format that's equally compelling. There's also the undeniable fact that Tammy remains one of TLC's biggest stars. Her clips routinely go viral, her name trends weekly, and her loyal fan base spans across age groups and continents. Tammy is a reality TV icon, and icons evolve. If the show doesn't evolve with her, it risks becoming obsolete. Tammy's story was never just about her size, it was about her strength. And now that she's found it, the series has a chance to dig deeper into that strength and redefine what 1000 lb Sisters means in a post-weight loss era. Even so, the stakes are high. TLC has faced similar challenges before. From My 600-Pound Life to Here Comes Honey Boo Boo, many of its hit shows struggled to maintain relevance once the central conflict was resolved or the main character changed too much. Viewers crave authenticity, but they also crave conflict, and conflict is harder to find when your protagonist is at peace. If the producers lean too hard into manufactured drama or off-brand storylines, they risk alienating the very audience that made the show a success. In the end, the future of 1000 lb Sisters will depend on whether it can evolve without losing its soul. Tammy Slaton has earned her second chance, and she deserves to enjoy it without being forced into old patterns for the sake of ratings. But reality TV is a business, and the business needs a story. If Tammy's new life can be shaped into a narrative that still touches hearts and inspires transformation, the show might not just survive, it could thrive. But if the focus drifts too far from the raw, emotional core that made it a phenomenon, it may be time to say goodbye. One thing is certain, Tammy Slaton is no longer the woman she was when 1000 lb Sisters began. She's healthier, happier, and more empowered than ever. And whether or not the show continues, her legacy as a symbol of resilience and redemption is already cemented. The world watched her fight, fall, and rise again. Now, all that's left is to see what she'll do next, and whether the cameras will still be rolling when she does. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 lb's YouTube channel for more update news.